Biomee Practicals presents Biomee online classes. This class is for grade 7. Subject is science. I am your host ShahRukh. In this video we will cover types of chemical reaction.
And these are the learning objectives. Explain synthesis and decomposition reactions with the help of laboratory experiments. Elaborate displacement reactions with example.
The reactions between iron and sulfur to form iron sulfide is called a combination or synthesis reaction. This is because two different substances combine to make a new single substance. Another example of a synthesis reaction is the burning of magnesium in oxygen. Whenever two little compounds combine together or two atoms combine together and form one molecule or one compound are known as synthesis reactions, because when two small compounds or elements combine and form a big one molecule or compound, these reactions are known as combination or synthesis reaction. As you see in this picture, when we burn magnesium ribbon in the presence of oxygen, it will form magnesium oxide powder. Rusting of iron is another example of synthesis reaction in which iron combines with oxygen in the presence of water or moisture oxygen to form iron oxide, are called rust. Here the word equation is given below. When iron combines with oxygen, they will form iron oxide. As you see in this picture, the rusting iron. Whenever we are buying iron from outside, the market value of the pure iron should be high because there is no any rust on that iron. But whenever we are using it at our homes after few months or few years, that iron would be along with the rust or oxide that is formed upon the iron. It will decreases the price of the iron or the quality of the iron. That's why whenever we are solding the rusted iron or iron oxide material, its price going to decrease. Decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction is another type of chemical reaction that is totally opposite to the synthesis reaction. Here in decomposition reaction, a single compound or big one reactant molecule is converting or breaking up into new or more than two simpler products, where energy is needed to break the bond of the single compound or single reactant. Thermal decomposition is the use of heat to break down compound. As you see in this picture, here when copper carbonate is heated, it changes from a green powder to a black powder. The green copper carbonate breaks down into black copper oxide and carbon dioxide gas, as you see in this picture. This is the word equation. When copper carbonate break down into two simpler compounds like copper oxide and carbon dioxide. Below you can see the atomic equation. The atom of copper combined with carbonate, oxygen and carbon. When these both molecules break down, they will form into copper oxide molecule and carbon dioxide molecule. Another example of thermal decomposition is in the manufacture of lime. The formula of lime is calcium oxide, CaO. Limestone means calcium carbonate is heated to form calcium oxide and carbon dioxide gas. A test for carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide react with lime water means calcium hydroxide solution. If carbon dioxide is bubbled through lime water, the lime water turns from a colorless to a cloudy white solution. Carbon dioxide is heavier than air. This means it can be poured from one test tube to another. Pouring carbon dioxide into a test tube of lime water will cause the lime water to turn milky or whitish in color. Did you know? In the manufacture of limestone is heated to temperatures of over 1000 degrees centigrade in special ovens called lime kilns. Here is another chemical reaction, that is the displacement. During displacement reaction, one substance can pushes out another substance to take its place. If an iron nail is put into a jar containing copper sulfate solution, some iron dissolved and displaces the copper in the solution. The copper is deposited on the nail. Look at this picture. In this picture, you are seeing a copper sulfate solution in which an iron nail is dipping. Now, what is happening here? Iron replaces copper from the solution copper sulfate, and that's why this reaction is known as displacement reaction. As you see in the word equation, iron combined with copper sulfate solution, it replaces into the copper and iron sulfate. In this reaction, no any two substances or two reactants combine to form a product, or no any one reactant break down to form two or more than two new substances or molecules or product. But here only replacement takes place or displacement takes place between two metals. Did you know? When one chemical reaction causes a sequence of reactions to occur, it is called a chain reaction. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share my YouTube channel, and if you want to connect through online classes, then contact on my number given below.